Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share a plan with me and I'm going to be using this super cute Star Wars kit, but before we get into the Star Wars kit, I'm going to shove this guy off to the side and we're going to take a look at the babe box and the first week of May in my TPC planner. So I did do a haul for the month of April and the babe box is in there, but unfortunately it did not go up before this video went up. It took me like literally half a day to upload it because it's over an hour long. It takes forever to upload it, but it will be available after this if you want to go back and see what came in the babe box. But I found this really cute little, I think I got it in last Black Friday box from the TPC Nation Black Friday box, but that little bow. And then on the inside, this is all stuff that I had left over from one of my Cocoa Daisy kits. And it was like a celestial themed. So Simon is there with his little star. And I thought it went really well with the theme of this whole planner. So, and the planner itself also came in the babe box. And then also this insert right here that I'm about to show you came in the babe box, but the rest of it, I'll tell you what came in the box. Hey, never mind. Just go watch the haul and then you'll see what came in the babe box because I can't keep straight what came in what. But I do know that 90% of what I decorated this with is all stuff that came from my Cocoa Daisy, one of the kits, one of the many kits that I've got. I always keep all of the decorative leftovers and I reuse them in other planners. So these are some of the stickers that came in the sticker book that's in this subscription, and then this B6 is in there, and it's just a regular B6, but it's a nice little soft cover one. So it's good for travel if you want to take it with you to go somewhere, and I just wanted to test it out. I signed up for the subscription. I don't know if I'll keep it. I already skipped next month because it's not my style, but we'll see what comes out the following month and if I want to continue it or not. But this is really cute. The stickers are all foiled and it's a silver hollow type foil, and I'm not really my vibe with the way the stickers are, like the artwork and stuff. I'm not too into aliens and stuff, but it came out really cute. And I was able to get through like 2 weeks worth of stickers. I have no idea what I'm going to use this planner for. And these are all the leftovers from what I'm going to show you in the TPC Nation for the first week in May. So this is that Mother's Day kit that I have in the shop, and this is what I had left over from when I did a full spread in the TPC Nation. So I just thought I would use them in here. Then this is from Simply Gilded. This is one of the extra little books from Simply Gilded. And again, it was a very celestial theme, so I thought it went really well along with the pen. So there is the little B6 that came in the babe box. Then in my TPC Nation planner, since I'm not doing a plan with me with this kit, I wanted to show it to you because I think it came out really, really cute. And if you're still looking for kits for Mother's Day, I have this one in the shop and it is printable. So if you have the ability to print your kits and use them, this is a gorgeous Mother's Day kit to use for the week of Mother's Day. I can't get it to you in time if you don't have the ability to print it, but for us last minute people who are always looking for stuff, this it is there under the printable section in the shop. So I think it came out really pretty, and I paired it with, I think this is called champagne, like a matte champagne foil from Scribble Prints Co. So, and even though my lights are always harsh and they don't do it justice, I think it came out really, really pretty. And then that was just the month set up. And then I'm just kind of flipping through to see how many weeks there are. I wasn't paying attention so that I know if I have enough kits to cover, because I also want to use my Cocoa Daisy stuff. So kind of trying to figure out where I want to stick my Cocoa Daisy in there. So now we're going to get on to this one. So this is my Avalon and Ninth planner, and this is a 7x9 planner. And then this kit is called the Force. And this is the kit that I have in my shop. It's under the new releases. It's a mini kit, and it is during the TPC sale, it'll be 25% off. So the TPC sale this month starts on the 12th and it goes until that following Monday, which I can flip the page and tell you. So it goes from the 12th through the 16th of May. So if you, trying to think of I'm not good with this East Coast, West Coast time thing. I'm horrible with it, but I believe if you just go to my shop after 11 Pacific, so West Coast time, if you go after 11, the code will be up in the banner and you'll be able to use the code to get the 25% off for the sale. Anyway, I love the artwork on this. It reminds me a lot of like magazine covers, and I really like that. So this is the format for the mini kit, and it's just a 4-page mini kit, but I also have the TPC add-on. If you have the TPC planner and you want to use this, there's an add-on for that, but I'm not going to be using it because obviously I'm using it in my A&N, and I don't have those little rounded boxes in my A&N. I don't really feel any need to pull them into here, so they're off to the side. And then this is the functional kit for the month of, I think this is November, if I can read that right, November from Avalon and Nine. So she does a functional mystery colors kit every month, and I subscribe to that along with the mystery, the monthly mystery. So this is the one from November, and I thought the colors were pretty darn close. So that blue is pretty enough to, I mean, it's pretty good. And now that it's all laid out in front of me, I love, love, love the way it looks. I mean, that was just like the perfect pairing for this particular kit. So I'm going to start by putting down my washi and putting down my date covers and all that good stuff. So for this planner, um, for this time, I'm gonna put all the date covers on the top and my washi on the bottom, just like I always do. I'll speed this up a little bit so I'm not rambling on for an hour, because this is actually how long this video was by the time I finished. I did try to do this live, like not live, but as I went, and I talked through about 45% of this, and then somebody came in and interrupted me in the middle, and then I lost my train of thought and I couldn't recover, and I was like, okay, I give up. So I'm trying. I actually made a sign for my door that has little lights on it, and when it's lit up and it says filming, so that nobody walks in, but nobody pays attention around here. They just do what they want. So they just walk in, and it's, Mom, do we have any toilet paper? So it's like, how do you recover from that? You can't. So I just scrapped the whole audio and then decided to go back and just voice over like always. If you live in a busy house and you're constantly being interrupted by your kids all the time, I mean, you've got to have some sympathy and understand that voiceovers are just life. That's just the way it's going to be, because you just can't. So anyway, I'm going to put down all of these little boxes because they're stinking adorable, and I should have moved that one further away because they have the same background, but it didn't. It's all good. It's all good. But I'm going to do like a top and bottom kind of a thing. I'm still not brave enough to do that scatter type where the boxes are not centered. I don't know. My brain just won't let me do that. I think it looks cool. I love looking at it, like looking at other people's. Even one of my PR girls, Tara, she just did one recently where she kind of has like a little scatter on the side in the sidebar. So like baby steps, maybe I could try that one of these days if I had some boxes on the side that I wanted to kind of put wonky, but it's still not there yet. That's not there yet. I need my straight lines and everything to line up properly. I mean, look at me. I can't even stand having stuff hang over the edge. I have to trim it down and just make it like totally square. So can you imagine me trying to do, boxes on there that are not straight? That would just drive me insane. I wouldn't like it. Sidebar, highlight of the day. So this month, the sidebar is going to be very functional this month, because I have a lot going on. Not this month, this week. I have a lot going on this week, so I need everything to be kind of functional on the side there. So when I set it up, it's basically because there's quite a bit of things going on. I'm sorry about my voice, but allergies are kicking my butt right now. It's finally starting to be spring in the Northwest. And so, it's spring when you walk outside and there's pollen literally like laying a layer of it over your car. And I have a black car, so that yellow dust looks terrible, and then you drive down the street and it all blows off. But anyway, spring is coming when all that yellow stuff lands all over the place, and then my voice gets messed up and my nose gets stuffy, and it's just the usual. I have to start taking the allergy medicine, which I don't have to take it every day, I mean all year round, but during the springtime. And then there's a certain period during the fall where I have to take it, and I can't remember what it is in the fall that starts falling and that gets me, but it gets me in the fall too. So on Monday, that's the last day to send out swaps. So if you don't know what the swaps are, you probably do. If you've ever shopped the TPC sale, then you've gotten swap bags from when you've ordered during the sale. And so that's like the deadline. So Caitlin gives us a deadline for when everything needs to be shipped and or received by during the sale cycle. So that is the last day to make sure that they're already out. But I sent mine out like 2 weeks ago, so I'm good. I just like to mark it in there so that I know that people should have gotten it by now. So if I hear from anybody that they haven't received theirs or whatever, then I can go back and send them another set, because, the mail, the mail. So see, this is why I can't do anything like wonky crazy, because even that box being just shifted to the side a little bit was driving me insane. And so I had to fix it. I couldn't have it offset. Like I just can't do the whole. Someday I'll try it. Maybe I'll try it in that B6 where I'm not, like totally stressing out over it. So this box right here where I put the artwork behind it, I love that. I just think it's so stinking cute, and I decided to keep the artwork together and just use it as one full week on Sunday because I work on Sunday. So there's really not a whole lot going on even though it's Mother's Day, but I thought it would be like a really cute place to put that whole entire lineup right there. It was all to keep it all together because I really like the way it turned out. And then I'm just going to start putting down all my boxes with the stuff that's going on. So on Monday, what else is going on? I'll tell you when I get to it, but that box that I just put down with the dual live plan with me, that one is going to be on my Facebook group. So if you go over to Facebook and you look for my group Scrappy Fox and join my Facebook, they're going to be two of my PR girls are doing a live plan with me. One of them is using, I believe Brandy is using the Mother's Day sub and Sarah is using the Father's Day sub. I think I'm pretty sure that that's what they're going to be doing. So that is going to be at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so or 8 p.m. if you're on the East Coast. So that's going to be out in my Facebook group. And then also the Instagram loop is on Tuesday. So if for TPC, so if you go over to our Instagram accounts and you follow along with the Instagram loop, there's a huge prize at the end. So, and then the prizes are drawn the Wednesday before the sale starts, so on the 11th. And then, oh, did you see that cute, adorable sticker that I put down there? Oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute. So I got that one from Avalon and Ninth, and it's on my movie marquee. And that one is I can't remember his name. I don't remember what she calls him, the little skeleton dude, but he's doing karate. So that's me marking down that we're gonna watch UFC on Monday. So that's the little karate guy. It's just so stinking cute. And then we've got Dungeons and Dragons with my boys Monday night. And then on Tuesday, the two little characters from Happy Daya, that's me and my daughter. So we're going out to lunch. I'm going to meet her and Raina, and we're going to go have some lunch. I don't know where. And I think we're going to go to I think we're going to go shopping somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where we're going, but she's coming over on Tuesday to do that. So Tuesday's kind of a busy day. Got a lot of stuff going on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, it's the day before I go back to work. So this is my long week of work. You can see I put down all the little work tags there for the whole week. And now I'm just kind of flipping back and forth to make sure I don't miss anything for this week of what needs to be here for all of the little icons that I pulled and I put off to the side on my little reusable paper. And then you couldn't even see that. What a goof I am. I was showing that it has little planets all over it. So I just thought it was super cute because it has like these little planets in there for the dividers and it's just really cute. Anyway, I don't even know why I did that because you couldn't even see it. It was like, it didn't even focus. So then also Wednesday is laundry day because I go back to work on Thursday. And then also I call my mom that day. So one of those will have a little phone in there where I call my mom. And then one of them is like going to have a little section for cleaning because that's the day that I clean up the house before I go. So when I work my 4 in a row, I basically go to work, come home, go to bed, go to work, come home, go to bed. And I do that all 4 days. So not a whole lot of housework or any other stuff gets done on those days. Yeah, so I try to get as much done on the Wednesday before I go back, my house turns into a disaster over those 4 days. I have fur babies, and fur babies with wood floors is in the spring when they're shedding is an absolute nightmare. So lots and lots of vacuuming, lots of vacuuming. So Thursday, I call my mom. And then happy me, just so stinking lucky to get another jury summons. So I got a jury summons last year, but because of COVID, it got canceled and I didn't have to do it. And then they nicely sent me another one for this year. So on Thursday, I had to write myself a little note to make sure I bring that to work because the actual date is like super soon. It wasn't like they gave me a whole lot of notice. So like literally the day after Mother's Day, I may be at jury duty, which is really irritating because I obviously I don't want to spend an entire week doing jury duty, especially when I'm a night shifter and jury duty's during the day. And I'm going to have to flip my clock and I have to take time off from work and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So Thursday, I'm going to drop off the paperwork with my supervisors so they know there's a possibility I won't be coming in on Sunday. If I have to report for jury duty on Monday, I'm obviously not going to work Sunday night or else, I won't even be able to make it. I'll die. I'm too, I need my sleep. I love my sleep and I need my sleep. So that's going to happen. So I'll bring in the paperwork that day, and then I had to write myself little notes all week long to remind me to call. And I have to call every single day. So in California, when you got a jury summons, you would call the first time, and if they didn't need you, you were done. That was it. Here, you have to call every day through your entire time that you would be being used for jury duty. So that sucks. So I had to make myself little notes every single day. And that's pretty much all I have going on this week. Again, it's another work week, so there's a ton of stuff going on, but I just really wanted to share this plan with me because it's absolutely fantastic. I love, love, love this kit. It is so stinking cute. And like I said, it will be available. It's available now, but if you want to get it during the sale, it will be 25% off, and it's a mini kit, so you can pick it up and have a cute spread of your own for May the 4th. And yeah, that's it. I will see you again soon, and I hope you guys really love this. Bye-bye.